Good morning, everyone. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and welcome back to another Toronto vlog. Here we are again. I took the past couple days off from vlogging, which has been really nice. We've just been hanging a bunch with some of Conor's friends. My parents officially got to town, so we're doing some fun stuff with them today. And yeah, it's been really fun so far. We've been having a good time. We have been so busy, you guys, just like literally every single day running around. It's been a lot. I think the earliest that we've gotten home the whole time that we've been here has been like 12:30 in the morning. Last night we were out until 1, so not that far off from there, but it has been a very busy time, that is for sure. But it's been really fun. We have been having a lot of fun. So today's actually Wednesday, but I believe it's Monday for you, so happy Monday. Be sure to comment your goal for the week down below. And it's nice because Conor and I actually have Thursday and Friday off this week. We took it off because we're going to be heading up north to Conor's family's cottage and spending a ton of time there, so we just felt like, you know, taking a little bit of time off. So today is really the last day of work, and who knows how much is actually gonna get done because we have a lot of other stuff going on today, so we'll figure it out. But Conor and I sort of woke up craving some Starbucks this morning, so we are going to go on a little walk and grab coffee. Could I please get a venti iced chai tea latte? And could I get that with non-fat milk and sugar-free vanilla?
For sure. Can I do a venti cold brew, please?
Just black cold brew?
Great, thank you.
All right, guys, have a great day.
Thank you. Like, all the leaves just falling there. Very Canadian.
Slightly pretty.
So pretty. So we got our Starbucks. Both of us instantly regretted getting an iced one, but it's what we wanted. So now we are walking over to CVS just because there's a couple little things I need to pick up. I didn't realize I guess process how long I would be here, and like I'm running low on like every single one of my products, basically. So I need to just load up on some stuff before we head up north tomorrow. But we're going for a lovely walk through this neighborhood here, looking at all of the gorgeous houses, and
all the colors are changing now, like literally as we're here.
Yeah, it's getting more and more every day. It's really fun.
And it's really shifting quick.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Definitely. So we're just off on a nice little walk.
Yeah.
This lighting's sort of funky, eh? Don't know if that will really help, but we'll try. It's a little better, I think. Anyway, I did something different with my hair when I did it yesterday, like a different technique with the Denman, and I really don't like the way it turned out. That's cute. Anyway, it is noon here now. We got back a little while ago, and I've just been working, just trying to zoom through my to-do list since we have plans with my parents this afternoon. But really quickly, I thought I would show you what I picked up from Rexall. I was just running low on my micellar water, so picked up some of that for taking my makeup off. I've actually never tried the Bioderma one, but I've obviously heard so many people talk about it, so I'm intrigued. And then I was also running low on my moisturizer, so I got this new one. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I've been loving the Hydro Boost products lately, so I'm pretty excited to try this. Should we try it right now? Fragrance free, love that. The texture seems, oh yeah. Oh, I love it. It feels very light on the skin. It's a hyaluronic acid product, so that makes sense to me. Yeah, that feels amazing. Oh, yes. Loving it. I was so low to the end of my Ole Henriksen vitamin C one that I was like, definitely gonna need a new one. So there you go, all set up. And yeah, anyway, I'm just going to power through my to-do list here. Already making some good progress, so just need to keep it up. And while I've been working while I'm here, since I can't really access YouTube TV or anything like that to watch any of my usual shows, I have been watching Too Hot to Handle for the first time. I just dove into season 2, but it is a very interesting show. I've never watched it before, and it does make me laugh that these people like are freaking out that they can't like kiss each other and it's like impossible for them. pretty funny, but it's honestly not a great show. I would typically not watch it, but I like working with like some reality BS in the background, so this does the trick. Going to dive into work now. Check out my view when I'm working though. Got a nice little change of color up there. Look at that, beautiful. Loving it, loving this little taste of fall. Okay, I just finished powering through my to-do list thanks to Connor because he made me lunch. Just a little sandwich here, just saucing it up. We got lots of sauce options here, which I love. So I'm gonna use some garlic aioli, some sweet with heat. Sounds delicious. Thanks for making me this sandwich, babe.
Of course, I love. Way to power through.
Whew.
Boss bitch alert.
Glad to have it done. Once I'm finished with lunch, I gotta run upstairs and get ready because I think I'll be out for the next couple hours.
No, this sweet with heat is so good. I've literally brought it back with me.
Oh, we should do it.
At times and, oh, we should.
Loving that. Let's try a little bite. Mmm.
Are you good?
Mm-hmm. Delicious. This is actually really, really good. Hit the spot.
Perfect.
So sorry about this horrible angle, but there's nowhere to put my camera in the bathroom here, and I'm in a bit of a rush to finish getting ready here. So I'm just getting ready right now because Conor and I are gonna go meet up with my parents, and we're gonna be checking out the immersive Van Gogh experience. I'm very excited. They have them all over New York, LA, I'm pretty sure Vancouver, and then Toronto. Although apparently it's been in Toronto for a long time, like before the pandemic, and it's definitely newer to LA and New York. But anyway, very excited to finally check it out. It's really hard to get into apparently in New York, my parents were saying, but I think since it's been here for a little bit longer, it's just a little easier to get into here. So we are very excited to check it out. We are from the Netherlands after all. So we're gonna go and do that. That's about an hour-long experience, and then I think we might like grab a drink with my parents, and after that I'm meeting up with Tara, and we're gonna do some fun stuff together tonight. So it should be a really fun rest of our evening. But we have to leave here in like really soon. 10-ish minutes, 15 max. So, you know, I gotta get my ish together here as quickly as possible. I'm like trying to brainstorm in my head what I want to wear so that I don't have to spend too much time worrying about that. It's definitely been a pretty busy day because I woke up a little late today. I just really needed to sleep, and I haven't been sleeping well since I got here for some reason. Last night was definitely my best sleep, but I still like woke up once or twice throughout the night. I don't know why. I think it's just like probably just being in a new place, but not ideal, especially considering how late we've been out. But tonight should be a much more low-key night. I think I'll be back by like 10:30 at the latest, hopefully. So it shouldn't be too bad. And then the next couple days we are at the cottage, so that is going to be full relaxation. It's going to be really, really nice actually. Oops, it wasn't time for me to use this. We have been so go, go, go ever since we got to Toronto, but it has been so much fun, you guys. Oh my gosh, we have been having the best time just catching up with people. So many of Connor's friends who I just haven't gotten to see in years, and it's been so, so lovely. He's actually going out with some friends tonight, or I don't know exactly what they're doing, but meeting up with them, and I don't think I'm gonna make it, but we'll see what happens.
Time check, baby?
Yeah, it's 2:33. I'm gonna call her Uber at 2:40.
Okay.
Trying on Lyft as well, just to see.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a Lyft that's 3 minutes away. long time no chat, but with the parents. Hello guys, welcome to Toronto. We just left the Van Gogh exhibit and it was so good. It was very cool. Yeah, I really liked it. It was a very cool experience. And now we just walked over to this little sports bar. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. BP? What does BP stand for?
It's actually Boston Pizza.
Boston Pizza.
Boston Pizza. Okay, there you go. And we're gonna grab a drink.
Yeah. You gotta try the soft one. It tastes like a...
All right, we got some sort of pizza bread situation. It smells so good.
It is.
I'm very excited.
I like the half noodle.
Oh my gosh, so good. It's like cheesy bread.
Pretty good.
Made it back with Miss Tara. And of course we had to get some martinis, which look delicious. Cheers.
Fat martini.
Yes, we are going to be drunk. Cheers.
We like it.
Yep. Just heading out. Look at this. It looks very like moody here.
Much cooler at night on.
Yeah, I really dig it. All right, on to the next bar.
We're gonna stumble across something.
Yep, we're just gonna see what we find.
No reservations.
I'm all about
An hour
it.
and a half to go.
Perfect.
I've never been.
Hopefully we're allowed up here. Here we go. We're trying to find our way to Hemingway's, which is this bar that Connor pointed out to me. Tara said she's been like trying to get to. And now we are going up a random staircase. Oh yeah, nope, this looks promising.
Oh, this looks cool. I've been trying to go here for so long.
I love it. Very excited to check it out. Change of plans. We're going to the Pilot, and I will explain why momentarily. Look at us. Trying to get it work. That's right. Who knows? Hello. Okie doke, we are at the Pilot. We were trying to go to Hemingway's, you know, but there was a line and we were like,
No thanks.
yeah, there were so many open tables, but they were taking so long to seat people that it just didn't really seem worth it. So we walked down the street and stumbled upon the Pilot, which is one of Connor's favorite places. He told me today when we were out on that walk, so we decided to just pop up here. So we just got our drinks, doing a pickleback, of course, the new go-to. And then Tara's going to have her first French 75, which is a new favorite drink of mine. It's so good. And it looks like, I think this one is using Empress Gin, which is this purple gin that tastes really good. So
I was gonna ask if you knew what the purple was.
I'm assuming it must be Empress Gin, just because I don't know what else it could be, but very good drink. Highly recommend, and it doesn't taste too much like gin in my experience, so even if you don't like gin, get it. Sorry, you guys don't get to see Tara, but...
It's okay, it's a horrible shot on my end, so. Alright.
Wait, you literally, where am I? Oh, there I am. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Wait, cheers like closer to me over here.
I didn't even mind doing this every time. I didn't even really make a taste. I'm happy to have it.
Always.
But it didn't necessarily.
It didn't hit too hard. Waiting to see your first sip of a French 75.
Okay, shall we?
I'm actually curious, like, what this will taste like. I've never had one with Empress Gin, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah, only normal gin. Yeah, some water is.
Cleanse the palate.
Cheers. Let's see what the verdict is. Good?
Oh my god. I'm a fan.
Oh, it's so good.
It's so funny whenever Jill and I go out and we have both of our cameras in our hands.
And doing the same thing. We flip at the same time, like
I just
the
like
screen.
don't notice it anymore, but like from an outside perspective,
I know.
you know?
Just filming ourselves. Hi. So stupid.
Nicole is cooking dinner for us.
That's okay. We can leave
Want to come over?
I have dinner plans at home.
I meant
Alone.
like a quick dip inside to see the
Definitely.
Look who's here! My sweet boy!
Okay, I'm
Also my mom. Okay, we're taking a
wasn't
pickle back
expecting
and then
two
I'm out of
cameras
Bing!
Karen will be back. Karen.
My mom has been having a seizure every morning since she's been here. Yep.
I'm so proud.
Greetings, Papa. Thank you for waiting for us. Alrighty, out to dinner with the parents now.
Hello. We're back again.
And we just got our appy. We got just a little caprese. Is that burrata?
fresh meat
Smoots?
mozzarella.
Hand-pulled mozzarella. Had such a good time with Tara. Got to see Carter very, very briefly, but it was lovely. Looking forward to seeing
I got to
him
meet
a
him
lot more.
too. Couldn't have a better best friend for you.
I agree. So our food arrived. I totally forgot to show you, but we're still working on it. So I just got the bolognese. Mom, what'd you get?
This is a carbonara.
Carbonara? Yeah.
Lasagna bolognese.
And lots of wine.
Lots of wine on the menu.
Vino.
Vino.
Chin, chin.
Vino, vino, vino. Well, friends, we are back home. I'm actually vlogging on my phone because I left my camera at my parents' place. I was literally getting into my Uber and I told my dad, like, wait, I think I left my camera. But I'm seeing him tomorrow morning, so it was totally fine. It has been a wonderful Wednesday, though, especially considering that we have Thursday and Friday off. So looking forward to seeing you there. I hope you enjoyed today's video.